Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OpenAI API dashboard, manage keys and usage step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the URL for the OpenAI API dashboard. Press the Enter key to navigate to the OpenAI API website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to a login page. Enter your registered email address into the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will be taken to the OpenAI API dashboard. Here, you can view your API usage statistics. To manage your API keys, look for the API Keys section on the dashboard. Click on API Key. To create a new API key, click on the Create API Key button. Follow the prompts to generate a new key. Keep your API keys secure and do not share them publicly. To monitor your API usage, return to the main dashboard. Review the usage metrics displayed to track your consumption. You may also set usage limits to manage costs effectively. If you need further assistance, visit the OpenAI documentation or support section. Once you have finished, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Logout option to exit the dashboard securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.